Alright, habol tayo. Cancer. This is a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of April. For your personal reading, can you send me a direct message? Kamusta mga Cancerians? Kamusta ang mga mapagbigay, mapagmahal na ating mga Cancerians? Let's see kung anong meron this bonus reading sa ating April reading. Remind ko lang uli kayo, ingat sa mga scammers, huwag basta-basta magbabayad, lalo na kung unfamiliar account. Sa mga dating clients, alam nyo na yung nag-iisang number ko. Para sa mga new clients, if in doubt, PM nyo muna ako bago mag-settle yung fees. Ang crystals natin nakasale pa rin from the original price of 2,500, 1,999 na lang. Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of April. Let's see. Anong guidance para sa ating mga Cancerians? Okidoki. Cancer bonus reading for the month of April. Communication, may isang tao kang gustong kausapin. Okay? You wanna rebuild with this person. I feel ang laki ng misunderstanding. And you wanna make it up to this person. You wanna do what's right with the Justice card. But binabalansi mo, no? I feel nagkaroon ng quiet time, temporary breakup, dumating sa point where you feel na hindi na kayang ipaglaban tong connection na to. And yun lang yung nakita nyong solution nung time na yon, recent past, or kung kailan man nagkaroon ng temporary breakup, sabi nyo yun yung tamang gawin. Okay? Nagkaroon ng decision na mag-hold ng love offer at nagdalayo ng sadness para sa inyo. But after that like moment of introspection, you both manifested each other back, and this time you're praying and you're hoping na magkaroon ng magandang outcome tong love connection na to. Okay? For some of you, may involve na kasal with the Hierophant energy, kasal, bata. So, meron kayong mga iniisip na para sa bata, kailangan ng, kung dati nagkaroon ng mga pagkukulang, but this time, I feel, bibigyan na ng effort. Okay? May mga bagay din na nagdala ng sadness and nagkaroon ng awareness sa inyo na it's because kulang sa effort tong relationship na to, kaya paulit-ulit yung disappointing energy sa connection. Okay? Sabi ng masculine here, alam niya kung sino yung gusto niya. Oh, wow. Decided na daw siya. Okay? So, I feel nagkaroon ng options here. Again, the masculine and the feminine is just an energy. The masculine would be the go-getter, yung mas dominant energy, the go-getter. The feminine would be more on the receiving. Masculine is the giver energy, provider, and the protector. Okay? Sabi ng masculine here, alam niya yung gusto niya, alam niya yung standards niya, alam niya kung sino yung wish fulfillment niya. And kung ano man itong nakita niya, hindi niya nagustuhan, okay, I feel nagkaroon ng options. At sabi niya is, alam na niya. Sa mga nakita niya, sa introspection niya, alam na niya. Decided na siya. Okay? May isang family situation, relationship situation, na it feels like nirelease nyo yung sarili nyo dito, nawala na ng pag-asa. But right now, there's an energy of like uncertainty na baka naman maayos pa. Alright? Let's see. But I feel you would try to rekindle this connection. You manifested this love. Nagkaroon ng choice, nabigyan ng panahon ng bawat isang mag-isip. And nagkaroon din ng time na parang it's either nagkaroon ng ghosting or napag-isipan nyo na tama muna na mag-self-love, mag-heal. At introspection ko talagang dapat pang i-rebuild tong connection na to. And for most of you, nagkaroon kayo ng decision na sayang naman to at ayusin pa rin. Okay? So, I feel the reason for the reading is nagkaroon ng like energy of knowing. In the past, sabi nyo is parang mas makakabuti muna to walk away even this connection feels very strong. Even this connection feels like kahit nakita nyo na yung sarili nyo long term. For a certain chapter, no, parang napagod ang puso na i-work out ang relationship na to. And this is the energy of like nilet go nyo muna, and sabi nyo is kung mag-work out, but for that moment in the past, nag-decide kayong i-let go muna. Okay? So, recent past, nagkaroon ng new beginning, new chapter, new way of thinking para sa mga Cancerians. Walang mababago kung hindi babaguhin ng mindset at yung mga decisions. There could be no new outcome if gagawin mo yung mga ginawa mo na in the past. Okay? You're trying to rebuild. Again, I feel this is more about sinimulan mong i-rebuild yung sarili mo, yung dreams mo, yung self-worth mo. At nung nabuo mo na yun, unti-unti, no, nung naibalik mo na yung self-love, doon mo naisip na you feel na, for some of you, I feel hindi lahat ha, for some of you, this is a minor card, for some of you, nag-decide na balikan yung connection, but for some, parang wala na talaga. Okay? May prayers and manifestations na magkaroon ng financial stability, na magkaroon ng clear path, saan ba talaga mas kikita ng maganda. Okay? Sabi din ng masculine, pinagpe-pray niya, ano nga ba talaga daw ang definition ng isang masculine, paano din ba daw siya maging reliable dun sa feminine na gustong-gusto niyang i-win back. Okay? Right now, you have an energy. You might be dealing with a Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries. So right now, okay, nagkaroon ng reconnection and parang nagkakaroon ka ng realization na this is the same old toxic relationship. Andito pa rin yung same old toxic patterns. Lahat ng reasons why you gave up on this relationship, yung mga reasons kung bakit ka napagod, kung bakit ka nag-give up, after the reconnection, nakita mong ganun pa rin yung person mo, wala namang pagbabago. Okay? Your person right now, Cancer, trying to move forward, trying to find a better situation para sa kanya. May hinahanap na better situation para sa kanyang buhay. Your person feels betrayed. Anong nangyari? Nasaktan din siya. Sabi niya, your person feels betrayed. Sad. Ikaw ba ang may kasalanan sa person mo? Your person is trying to move away from you. May betrayal energy here. Sobrang nalulungkot siya. This could also be the energy of yung mga person ng Cancerians na nireject na yung person nila na parang tinanggihan na ng mga Cancerians for another chance. Because there's a feeling of betrayal and sabi niya is okay, kung ayaw mo na, mag-move on na rin daw siya. Okay? So, meron ka mga doubts if like yung mga pangarap mo is kailan mo ba matutupad, marami kang minamanifest na material abundance, and sabi mo is aayusin mo na, no, for now. Pag may nakita kang red flag, hindi mo na siya i-dismiss and ilalagay mo na sa tama, no, na parang if the love is too young, hindi ka masyadong mag-i-invest. Okay? So this is like calculated risk in terms of trusting a new person or a new love connection. Okay? Marami ka rin minamanifest na goals and tumatahimik ka right now because meron kang fear and I feel, no, parang nagkaroon ka na ng pattern in the past where naikwento mo yung mga plano mo at nabajuju. So right now, kung ano yung mga manifestations mo, you're keeping your lips sealed for now. Okay. For manifestation, abundance, Brazilian citrine, the yellow crystal, and then to heal your heart chakra, harmony sa relationship, Madagascar rose quartz. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the Elijah Guide. Alright. So, until the end of July, andito pa rin yung mga burden, but I feel magiging realistic and grounded ka na sa energy. Sabi mo, pag mabigat kasama, kapag hindi swerte, pag nadadrag ka, sa success, pababa, na parang bibitiwan mo tong tao na to kahit sino pa to. Okay? There would be also a realization na wala naman talagang nagbago. So, i-question ng mga Cancerians, long-term ba to? Parang pareho lang to ng last month reading natin. Andito ka pa rin, same old loop, Cancerians, to ground your energy, Madagascar, black tourmaline, anti-evil eye din siya. Okay? To protect your dreams, your manifestations, and your energy. Okay? Amethyst would be for mental clarity. So, maraming realization here na kahit binigyan mo ng another chance tong person mo, okay, just make sure before you give this person another chance, mag-usap kayo, ano ba yung mga naging deal breaker sa relationship na to. Because wala akong nakitang pagbabago, okay? Ang sa akin lang naman, if babalikan mo, sabihin mo yung mga non-negotiables. Kasi if hindi mo na-address to at inulit niya, wala siyang kasalanan. Kasi hindi ka nagsalita na nasasaktan ka sa pattern na yan. Okay? Wala akong nakikitang pagbabago or someone is being stubborn to meet the other person halfway. Maraming non-negotiables here. So, kukwestiyonin ng feminine, no? Okay, this is the energy of the feminine na kakausapin niya yung masculine, real talk, na ito yung nangyari, I feel hurt, kapag ganito, ayusin natin to, sana, ibaba na yung burden, kung ano yung nangyari in the past, let's leave that in the past, but right now, clean slate, but I feel, meron akong nararamdaman na disappointment, possible, let's not claim, possible disappointment sa side ng feminine because later, after niya bigyan ng chance itong masculine, maaari na namang magkaroon ng disappointment because of realization na same old, wala namang nagbago. Puro pangako, puro salita, wala namang pagbabago. And, syempre, if nagkaroon ng breakup and hindi naman nagkaroon ng pagbabago, a new way of thinking, alam na natin kung saan hahantong ulit ang relationship na to, which is another ending, another painful ending. So, walang bago, Cancerians, no? So, yeah, that will be the Cancerian bonus reading for the month of April. See you again in a few days for your May reading and then PM me for your personal reading. And, yung mga kasi, nakapin naman yan, yung mga importante na makita nyo na detalye about the readings and then the crystals. And then for the crystals, nakasale pa rin tayo. Inuubos natin tong stock na to, tong batch na to. And after that, we'll go back to the regular price. Alright? Bye, Cancerians!